Okay, we're playing with Play-Doh. Blair, can you show us what we have here?
A ball pit.
That's a ball pit? Ooh,
Alligator.
that's an alligator? That's pretty.
Wow.
Rah. Blair, what are these right here?
Cricket.
Who made those?
Blair.
Yeah, Blair made those. And we have some other things here. We have a tricycle. We have 2 birthday cakes. Who is this?
Wawa.
Rah-Rah. We have a spoon. And our dinosaur is having a bottle.
And water.
Yeah, that's right. Can I have some of these? Your cereal?
No.
I can't? Okay. Do you love your Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that scary?
Yeah.
Okay, can you say bye-bye?
Bye.